Hello student, today's topic is NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. Let's start here. So example with set of all string that start with 0. Example is set of all string that start with 0. Now, what is our language? L is a language. Okay. So, L is a language using NFA. What element will be in set? So, like 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0 and so on. It is an infinite set. Look here. Set of all string that start with 0. So, L is our language. Now let's see how can we design NFA. As usual, we start with starting state. So let's call A is a starting state and I send it to next state with 0 input. So B on getting 0, it goes to B row with 0 input. Only condition is to start with the 0. So A is the starting state and it goes to next state with 0 input. Now start A is a starting state and first is the input is 0. If first input is 0, I will go to next state B and B should be my final state. So I put double circle around it. Why? Because I just want the state start with A, right? This state start with A, and after that I didn't care what is in B, whatever you get 0 or 1 like this, right? Let us say B it itself. So here complete the NFA. So this one is your complete NFA with 0 starting state with 0. Okay. If it has a DFA. So how can we design a DFA? How can it convert in DFA? We could have seen it. This is not a completed. So because I'm not mentioning. Because what happened to A if it gets input 1, because there is only one input, like 0 is a single input, goes to B state and B is our final state. So with one input, I will mention here this with one input string like 0, 0, 1. So let's pass this string with this NFA. So we check our starting state. As usual, we start with our starting state A. Let's check this string. Start with 0, right? With 0 input, it goes to B, right? So what is our next input? Our next input is 0. It goes to B again, because our next input is a 0 and goes to B, right? So B itself, and what is next input? Next input is a 1. When B gets one input, because when B gets one input, where it goes? It goes to B itself. Look here, this NFA. So when it gets one input, it goes itself. Write it here, right? We reach our end, and now the string end here. What is the end string? End state. This is our end state, correct? So let's check the string. This example is accepted or not. So this can accepted. We already checked here. because getting the 0, 0, 1, the string will be accepted. Okay, let's move on next example. Now next example is 1 0 1. First one is a 0 0 1, next one is a 1 0 1. Now in that case, example is test for the string 1 0 1. So always starting state is 1 A. Our starting state is A, and on getting input 1, where it goes does not have a place to go. It gets to 5. There is no place to go, so it goes to 5. So it's denoted by this. It does not have place to go. It denoted this 5, and this kind of configuration where state does not go anywhere. So it is called dead configuration. So this 5 it's called dead configuration. Okay, so because of this, look at here, because of in this case of DFA, we did not dead configuration. If we have a DFA like this, this is incomplete. This is complete, not this is not a complete. Where it goes, where A goes, so we have to mention where A goes, even if get input 1. So let this into DFA, convert into the DFA. Okay, so here again this goes to 5. This is one first of our NFA, but now we convert into DFA. So with one input it goes to next state. We have to convert to DFA, so it's sent to the another set. This one is your another state, C is your another state. So on getting input 1, after coming state C, it stay itself. So where it is get input 0 or 1. So this state is called dead state or trap state. This is your dead state or trap state. Okay, so in case NFA where there is no need to mention dead state or trap state, leave it for NFA. Let's see another example. Construct an NFA that accepts state of all strings over 0 and 1 over len 2. I will write here. Construct a NFA that accepts set of all strings over 0 and 1 of length 2. So before starting, here input symbols are, what are input symbols? 0 and 1. So language, what will we set elements in our language? It is getting string over 0 and 1 of the length. Okay, set of all strings over 0 and 1. So language is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Right? Now let's start to construct the NFA. Construct NFA. So what is our starting state? Our starting state is A, right? We always start with the starting state A. On getting input 0 or 1, either 0 or either 1, it's sent to next state, state B. this state with input 0 or 1, because set of all strings over 0 length 2. So look here, we getting input 0, either 1, it goes to next state. Okay, now current state is B. So this point, what is the length of string? Our length is a 0, either 1. It means if this length of this string is only 1. Now just got one input at a time. Now get the next state with input 0 or 1. Now look here, whether it input 0 or 1, it goes to next state. Now this point, what is the length of string? Length of string is, now here look at here, 0, and this also 0 or 1. Now length of string is 2, because we have to find length string 2 set of all over string all over 0 and 1. So now we get this. This is our final state. We show with the double circle. Now this is your final NFA. Okay, so let's check this NFA it's correct or not, it's working or not. So example is 0 0 or 0 0 1. Let's check this one. So now always our starting state start with A. Check our strings 0 and 0. So with 0 input it comes to B. Again next input is 0. It also comes next at C. Now look this example. What is our string? 0 0. We have to get 0 0. So A with 0 come with B, 0 input, and then it goes to next state with 0 input. So we get our string. So this NFA is completed and it's correct. Now for this string 0 0 0 1, look at here. We start with the A. We always start with the A. Next with 0 input, it go to the B state. Now getting on input 0, it goes to C. 0 and 0. Okay. Now next input is 1. So getting on input 1, it goes to next. It goes to next. But this is on final state. No. This is mentioned with the this. This is our dead state. Phi is our dead state. So it completed NFA. No, this is not complete NFA. Though this is a wrong. Now, so this is our final example. In next lecture, we will see next example of NFA.